Open Adobe After Effects. Import your clip. Go to Layer and create an adjustment layer. Rename it if you want. Go to Blur and Sharpen. Grab and drag the unsharp mask onto the adjustment layer. Set amount 120 to 150. Radius 1.5 to 1.8. Threshold 2.5. Add Sharpen. Set Sharpen amount 1525. Go to Color Correction and add Lumetri Color. Select Creative, then set the look to Blue Cold. Adjust the intensity to 5070. Follow my steps carefully. Go to Gain and Noise, then add Gain. Viewing mode, final output. Intensity, 0.3, 0.8. All done.